Welcome back to another radiant episode of Magnetic Women Monday, a movement, not just a talk show. Here we celebrate women who turn their pain into power, their vision into reality, and their story into the source of light for the world. Today, we step into our third foundational episode, and remember, each episode is not just a conversation, it's a history in the making. Joining me today is the powerhouse of transformation, Bela Mitheni, the CEO of Mind Mirror Studio. Over a decade of experience, she has empowered hundreds of entrepreneurs, coaches, and business owners to break free from limiting beliefs and build 6 to 7 figure businesses with the perfect blend of strategy and energy. And today, we get to dive into her journey. Welcome, Bela, to the show. I'm very glad that you are here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ankita.
So, with that, we would like to know, we all audience would like to know that what was your past and what are you right now? Could you show us your version 1 and version 2 to all of us?
Yeah, sure. I love to share my things with the audience. So, namaste, everyone. I want to begin with a small confession. I wasn't born with everything figured out. I was that little girl who loved creating with her hands, who dreamed big even when the world around me seems small. Creativity always in me, whether it was a handmade hairbrush or rakhi or any handicraft items like once I made artificial flowers bouquet and gift articles too. So simply finding new ways to do things. That childhood sparks never left me. It became a seed of everything, whatever I am today.
Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my God, that reminds of my childhood. I was just exactly like that. Oh, Bela, thank you for reminding me that. Great.
Then later on, I'm stepping into business. As I grew up, life asked me to be more responsible. I stepped into business not just as a career, but as a way to serve also. I trained more than 5,000 women, many uneducated, unsupported, and with no income source. And I gave them work from home opportunities. Over the time, nearly 25,000 families upgraded through business development training, residential programs, and funds. In 2010, I received my first award in manufacturing category from Srimati Anandiben Patel. She is the CM at that time, CM of the Gujarat herself. That moment told me, Bela, you are on the right path, but the journey wasn't easy, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just started my business in 2000, in year 2000, with just rupees of 1000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Because I wanted to keeping busy myself with the creative things.
Right.
So I just started that because at that time my both the kids are very small.
Okay.
And I'm just thinking that the things in my free time, I'll do that things.
Okay.
So I started this handmade hair accessories business. Then after a year, my husband joined this business. And then continuously, consistently together, we move ahead.
Oh, wow.
Yes. The life tested me not once but twice. In 2011, my husband was diagnosed with lymphoma cancer. Yeah. Overnight, my world turned. You know, this shifted me from I just think about that. This moment stopped everything in my life. So my world turned upside down. I was handling home, office, his treatment, children's education, my in laws, everything single handed. One moment is it made my heart forever during his fourth chemotherapy. His WBC count shot up to over 1 lakh. I had just 1 hour to arrange a crucial injection. I literally rushed, managing office, managing home, and somehow arrange a crucial injection to him. Made it happen. That day, I realized when life throws the hardest challenges, there is a hidden power within us that wakes up.
Very true.
But life wasn't done yet because there was one major incident in my life is in 2015 I faced a major accident. My pelvic bone completely broken and multiple surgeries followed. And doctor told me I would never walk again.
Oh. Look at you.
Yeah. I felt as if my life had ended. But something inside me refused to believe that. We tested lot many reports, sent it to our family doctors in US also. We consult them too, and they all doctors from Gujarat to USA, all doctors said that there is no other way as per my situation.
Wow. So
I can't stood up and walk.
Oh my God.
But I never believed that. And I start healing myself because I am a Reiki Grandmaster, and I told to my Guruji, Reiki Guruji, that please support me in these things. And he came and healed me every day over a month. And I too believe that I can walk again. That faith and willpower, I'm not only recovered from that things, I came back stronger. Within a 6 month, I was walking again.
Wow.
Yes.
6 months and then you are on your feet. And doctor said that you won't be able to.
Yes.
This is the power of mind and faith.
Yes.
Look at that. And you proved it.
That was nothing short of a miracle.
Yes. It is.
That is completely changed my life. These things. Whatever, this is my new version because of all these milestones. I started my business in 2000. Then in 2003, there is a riots in Ahmedabad, if you remember,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So again, we both think that completely collapsed everything on a business level because there till 6 months there are no local markets are moving ahead. Everything is closed in local market. So I just think about that. What can we do now? Because we purchased a new house and installment is there, our workers and means office management, office expenses is there.
Right.
So we just going 3 months like that, that one day we can survive, one day we can survive. But there is no chance to grow our business in local market. Then our friends and family support us. Why don't you try in the wholesale market in Mumbai?
Okay.
Because at that time Mumbai is very huge market and going very nicely, because there is no effect of rides over there.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So we stepped down over there, and we are huge success getting from there.
Wow.
Yeah.
See, you just mentioned that always, you know, put your attention on the solution instead of the problem. So instead of just, going and looking for the Gujarat market where the riot is going on, you took the completely different leap and then you went to the Mumbai and then found a
Yes.
bigger market, the wholesale market.
Yes.
Wow.
And we got the first order of 80,000 at that time in 2004. And we are so thrilled. Oh my God, 80,000 orders at one time. Wow. That's magic, We are feeling like it's magic.
Yes.
We just take time for calculation everything, because never before we did calculation how much raw materials we required, how much workers we need, how can we sort out all that things.
Right.
Almost we take 15 to 20 days to complete that order.
Mm-hmm.
Finally we complete that and deliver that to the client, and we all are happy that we completed successfully this order. But when that parcel reached to our client opened that order and checked that, and he found that in 2 or 3 designs there is a minor mistakes.
Okay.
And he refused to take order.
Oh.
Take that delivery. He returned us the whole.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Because of 2-3 items defected.
Mm-hmm.
We are very much stressed. How can we manage this? Because we already paid to the workers and everything is settled. Now we reopen that, hold the parcel, then checked each designs. Check each designs with the sample which we gave to the client. Then we find 2-3 minor correction in the particular design. Then we open that pieces and arrange that again. After a week, we resend that parcel and that order complete. And when the client show that all this is done with a very nice way, he is so happy.
Oh, wow.
And again, we are back and we are like, we are flurries at that time that we completed, but we learned a lot how to manage all these things. And then after that, we never look back. We take orders like 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And we have every time we grow with our minor things, like the expansion of workers, training of workers, then account management, then we hire the staff.
Oh wow, so you expanded the team.
Yes.
Okay.
And in 2001 we registered our company and we registered our brand Hair Sajawat within a 1 year. So now it's it's a brand in Mumbai market that everyone come that we want Hair Sajawat product.
Oh wow. And is it still like that?
Yes.
Oh my God, look at you.
Yeah.
Wow.
But now slowly and gradually we we are dealing with only wholesale market. not the retail market. So now we get the more orders, and up till, like, on this day, more than 200 plus women are working with us.
Wow, look at you.
Yeah.
So I only knew the part of you being a coach. You are coaching
Yeah.
like business women, business
Yeah.
person, entrepreneurs. But this is the part I never knew about you. So this is
Yeah.
amazing. Oh, wow. Look at you. You're an entrepreneur in yourself.
Yes. After that, after 2015, I'm truly believing in healing. So after that, I learned tarot healing, numerology, hypnotherapy, NLP. I learned after that. Before that, I'm a Reiki Grandmaster and yoga expert only. And I'm working with that kind of a people only.
Okay.
And my journey begins, when I started my business in 2000. Simultaneously, I'm working, I'm a volunteer. Also, I'm working as a volunteer in Aga Khan Development Network.
Okay.
And I train myself in such a way that I am working as voluntary. Also, I'm working as a president, secretary, as a team leader since 1996 up till now. So when I had an accident in 2015, I just thought about that. Why I am my coaching is like for limited person only. Why this? I have to expand my ability and my creativity to the global platform. And the thing is that in 2019, my both son are going to Canada for further studies, and in between I'm also going there, visited there. And since in 2023 in 2023 I went to Canada for a long time, for 1.5 years I stayed over there. And I found that if I wanted to go on a global platform, then I have to start my this journey on a digital platform, so I can connect with the global audience.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I established Mind Mirror Studio when I was in Canada, and I started my journey from there.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So you starting your some creativity, you liked when you're a child, you liked creativity, and then that became your passion, and you change it to a profession, and then you saw, I want to reach people because I healed myself, then why not teach people around me that how to heal yourself. So you started this, and when you wanted to reach on a global platform, you choose a digital world, and now you're teaching online. This is such inspiring. My God, this is truly art. That's why you mentioned that if I have to talk about my journey, it will take 1.5 hours. Now I can relate. Definitely. If you expand,
because many things going on, many things.
But hats off to you, the way you have transformed yourself, because so many things happened in your life, but then you never gave up. That's what it shows, the thing that happened to your husband and then your major accident. But every time I think that those things were becoming your fire, right?
Yes.
And you have reached to the point. Oh my God, this is for all my audience right now. You must hear this. Look at this, how you can turn your problems to a fire. This is your moment. This is your moment, guys. Wow.
Always I'm looking, that obstacles are my opportunity.
Yes.
Challenges are my opportunity, because I'm learning a lot from there. So every time I go beyond the opportunity. When doctor told me that I never walk, my whole life I have to use wheelchair only. And that gives me more power.
Yes.
That gives me more power. I never accept that challenge.
Right.
I always told myself, oh, it is okay. It is, this is for a particular period only, not for the life. And I just heal myself every day and take support from the all my gurus, and I successfully come out from there.
Wow. So this calls for one of the example that I can relate to. In 2017, I had a major accident too, and this was a really major accident. But I just had a hairline crack in my ankle, and I had to take a bed rest for 2 months. I couldn't walk. So for that two months of period, I completely changed. The person I was before and the after was like, whoa. Every moment when I was on the bed, I was like, the day I will get up from here, I'll do this. I had all my list ready. I couldn't these small moments just bring a major transformation in life. I can so relate with you, for sure. Wow.
I think many of the people who are watching this, they can relate also this kind of their journey, their life journey, right?
Yes. Yeah, for sure. And also, I would like to know one thing. During this transition period, how you used to motivate yourself? There every day when you sit, what was your talk to yourself?
Yeah, because there is lot many times that I'm frustrated and demotivated from the surroundings, from the atmosphere, from the over stress from the business, all that things, because I train that kind of women who are illiterate, as I told you, illiterate, uneducated. So from that chaos I switch myself to the another thing, where I'm playing a role like a president or a secretary and doing a voluntary work as well. Right. So from this to that, I switch my role immediately when I completed my office work, and then come back to this kind of a work. I just see when as if I am a president of particular things, like for women empowerment, then how can I give them motivation? If I am stressed or I am demotivated, I am frustrated, then how can I empower to other women? So I just drop down that things from my head and switch over to another book.
Wow.
And from 2010, as I told you, I got the first award. Then continuously I got lot many awards.
Yeah, I saw it on your website.
Yeah. Yes. On this year also I got couple of awards, like the last award is Nari Award for Mindmeter Studio. I helped a lot women in this also. Right now I'm running 2 classes for this transformation. One is 14-day class is Unlock Magnet Within.
Okay.
And a 91 days class is 10x Magnetic Business CEO. These 2 classes are giving tremendous transformation in the people.
And that lead to you got you were awarded for that.
Yes.
Wow.
My clients are doing miracles within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at that!
You
have to reach out
that
to
thought. Yeah. When they just shift that thoughts,
yes,
they unlock magnet within.
So you are saying that to become a transformed person, you don't need days or months or years. You can, if you want, you can change in 24 hours.
Yes.
Right?
Like that.
Okay.
When any negative, I can give you example, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you have a negative thought. Right now told me any negative thing which again and again pop up in your mind. Any one thought?
Whether I would be able to make this Magnetic Women Monday as a global talk show.
Okay.
It comes
That is,
up.
yeah, perfect. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath 3 times, and just uh, just raise your this thought in front of you and say 3 times, say delete, delete. Say it with me, like delete, delete.
Delete.
Yeah, delete, delete.
Delete, delete.
Again, third time, delete, delete.
Delete, delete.
Now place the positive thought that you already did it is getting a huge viewers. Sorry. Now open your eyes. Sorry.
Wow.
How you feel?
Yeah, it's a shift. It's a shift. Like, you know, that fear,
Gone.
yeah, just it turned and changed into,
Yes.
The smile. I can say in like few seconds, like my fear was completely changed into a smile. I was smiling in my mind. I was like, oh,
Yes.
I'm standing there.
No, what we are doing, see, we are living that life which we don't want. We are not living that life which we want.
Yes.
Because most of the time in a day, we are doing negative thoughts. You know, Google and other research said that we are having a 60 to 70K thoughts in a day.
Right.
In that thought, 90 to 95% thoughts are negative.
Negative. Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Which thoughts the day before? Nothing new.
Yeah, it's all past thoughts that comes again and again and again and again. Yeah.
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 And from that 90% thought, 75% thoughts are repetitive.
Repetitive. Yes. Mm-hmm.
When you observe your thought, you completely got this.
Yes.
This is true. And I just make them realize and create their 100x consciousness. Be live in a present.
Yeah.
Because past is not in existence. You can't go there and doing anything change in that.
Yes.
When you are not working in present, you are thinking for the future.
Right.
Future is what? Your present action result. Nothing else.
Yeah.
But you are not taking any action in present, then how can you change your future?
Right. Right. Yeah.
This simple.
Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah. But then it's very, sometimes, when you are alone and you don't know, you do not have a guidance, you feel like, oh, and then you know what? Sometimes if you do not get, we are so habitual to our thoughts. If we try to divert ourselves from the thought that we live every day, even that is a negative thought, even though we try to overcome that thought and try to become something better, this version always asks us to come back, it start to give fear here so that we can come back to this place.
Yes.
So it's such a loop, you feel fear here as well, you feel fear here as well. So I can say fear is just a part of life. So the best thing is what you want to do, just focus on that. This will stay and it will just go away. It will come back, go away, and it's a part of evolution.
Yes. So, actually, we have to love our fear because fear makes us more stronger.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
If there is no fear, we are not realize who we are.
Yeah. Very true. And then fear definitely means that we are stepping into something new, we are becoming uncomfortable. Exactly. So that means, we are doing something new, and it's good for our brain, for our evolution.
because all this is comes from your past experience.
Yes.
That fear comes from your past experience, and it's already your pattern in your subconscious mind.
Right.
When you change this pattern, you can come out from that fear.
Yes. Wow. See, do you notice that from nothing to something to being awarded, in all her entire journey, the fear was her part, but then
Yes.
she made that fear her friend. And that led to such a big evolution for her that now she is here. She has completed her 20 years of journey. Under her, 200 people are working. 200. She's supporting 200 women. She's a president of the place. She is an entrepreneur. She's working in the digital world. She's inspiring so many CEOs. So this is such, you know, don't let your fear stop you from taking just one single step. We are not
Yes.
asking you to, take a very big leap from like this to this to this to this to this. No, just go like one after another, very small steps, and you will see. And I have noticed in my life, every time when I approach someone for the episode here, it's, the fear just start to come. But then I was like, no, I have to do this. This is
Yes,
my
of course.
goal. I have to reach there. And I take one step at a time. I just reach out to one person. I make sure that this person shouldn't get hurt from what I'm saying. This person should understand what my goal is, so that she can come to my platform, even though it is new, even though it is,
Yeah.
why do
Yeah.
you feel that it is small? It's new, it's not small. You have to understand that whatever you are doing, it might be new, but it cannot be small. It is in your mind, it's very big. And keep it there, keep it there, keep it solid there, and you will see that how you will shoot up to that place, and people will understand you. How they understood Bella, how they understanding other CEOs and other people, they will understand you as well. So nothing is small, okay?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just visualized a week before that I wanted to grow on a global platform very fast.
Right.
I just asked to my subconscious mind,
Okay.
I want to do this. Give me the way.
Right.
And just within a 2 or 3 days, I just give your, your notification is there that you wanted to do this talk show with me.
Oh my God, look at that, guys. Oh,
Yes.
see? So the moment.
And I just jumped in. I never think that how it is and how can I make this. Nothing. But universe gives me this platform. I have to accept it. Nothing else. Just go ahead with that.
So true. Look at that, guys. See, that's what I have noticed in my life. When opportunity knocks on your door, that's a time you have to act. You know why?
Yes.
Why you have to
Yes.
act? Because when you start to think, you're thinking from your past experiences. So that past experience will say, who is she? Why she's approaching
Yes,
me?
yes,
Her platform
yeah.
is just nothing. You know what? But then you never know. You never know.
Yeah.
Life can change in one day, 1 minute, a single second. You never know what can happen. So when it knocks, don't think, guys. Don't think. You have to act like Bella. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So amazing. I can't.
Only in that moment, we have to just a decision maker.
Yes.
Take a decision and move ahead.
And move ahead. Yeah. Instead of just, going again and again, thinking so much, thinking. And honestly, I got those kind of messages as well. But it's fine. This is everybody's journey. But
Yes.
when you take decision fast, then, you are not wasting your energy. Your energy is very precious. You do not have to waste it on thinking on small things. You're getting a platform, just use it. Just use it in your advantage, right? So
every time,
be a decision maker.
I told to my clients that action produces results.
Yes.
consciously what you think and what you repeat over and over, that your subconscious minds prove it true.
Right.
Our subconscious mind doesn't know true or false.
Yes.
Our subconscious mind just prove it
Yeah. Whatever we
true.
think constantly. Yeah.
Yes.
If we think that this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, that will become wrong.
And that is your and my energy which connect us.
Yes.
And the mediator is all these things, that LinkedIn and Zoom and everything is mediator between us. But both our energies
Yes.
connect us.
Yes. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
People are working on an external world. They are not working in their internal world.
Yes.
When they raise their energy, energy connects with the like-minded people.
Yes. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
If I'm sitting here, I have to think like a person that I have already become, you know. I am
Yes.
already there. I cannot just
Yes.
stay in that same Ankita, you know, doing 9 to
No.
5, busy in her world. Everybody is doing, you know, I can say everybody around me, all my friends, all my relatives, everyone, whoever I can, you know, go to or beyond anywhere, nobody is doing it. And when I hear from them, it's like, why to waste time, you know, doing all this?
Yeah.
But
All
this
these
is
things.
what I love. They don't even know that what my imagination is, because I'm
Yes,
not
of
living here.
course.
My imagination says that, ooh, this is beautiful.
Yes.
Why should I stay here? You know, I'm just enjoying this. And this is
Yes.
just the journey that I'm doing right now. This is just a journey to the dream that I have in my mind.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Right now, you have to believe that you are the CEO of this talk show.
yes, yes, yeah.
And it get tremendously huge success.
Yeah.
Day by day, day by day.
Day by
It's
day.
growing.
Yeah. You know,
People love to watch this.
Yes. Yeah, no, I honestly can say I live one Monday a week. Now I can say, you know, I've started like
Yes.
one guest up. I approach one guest. I was like, okay, let's see whether they're interested, because I just don't go on, you know, approaching people. I was like, I see the
Yeah.
profile. I was like, okay, this person looks so magnetic. They have done so much of things. Before you shared your stuff with me, I already went through everything.
Okay.
Website and everything. I was like, no, she is amazing. I have to approach her. And then when I
Yes.
approached her, you took action and you are here. So
Yes, yes.
that's how it is, you know. You have it's all about energy. You feel it, and then you're just there. So yeah.
You know, for today, I'm taking action 3 hours before only. I'm just go through your questions and prepare myself how to answer your questions and all those things. Nothing else.
Wow. Yeah. And
I
why
prepare
she
myself.
and look at that, why she's doing it. She is doing it for the women who still thinks that no, we shouldn't start now. Nah, our business is not that good, you know. We still think in our mind, but we don't accept it. And this talk show is just for those women, guys. You have to understand that whatever you are doing, whatever your story is, it's very precious, you know, because you have spent your time, your energy into it. But if you do not trust your time, your energy, see, followers and your subscribers come later. First, you have to trust yourself that I am that. And then only when you trust yourself, the audience who is looking at you, the people who are watching you, who are taking your service, they will start to trust you and they will start coming to you. So keep that trust. And Bella knew that I have to trust myself, my story. That's why she started preparing just for you guys. She didn't just let it be like, okay, this is the platform, I'll just go and talk. No, she took it seriously. She prepared for it so that she can give a powerful message to the women like all of us. And I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful. Can't say it enough.
Thank you.
Wow.
Me too, feeling so blessed for this kind of talk show with you and with the global audience, right?
I'm so glad. Do you want to give some message to our to all the audience, to the women especially, any powerful message where they can take action right away, action as soon as they close this, they know what they have to do next. So can you give that powerful message?
I can say that today I stand here not just as Bella, but as a woman who has fallen, risen, healed, and transformed. I am a business success coach, a healer, a teacher, and most importantly, a living example that no matter how many storms life sends, you can still create sunshine. And if I have one message for every woman listening, it is this: start small, but start. Never let pain stop you. Let it shape you. Your struggles are not your end, they are your beginning. This is my journey, and if I can rise through cancer, accidents, and failures, then so can you. Together, let's create not just success but magnetic success.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Bella. Thank you so much for your inspiring words. I truly can say my audience would loved it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy with us today. And
Last not but the least, I believe every woman carries a magnet inside her, and when you awaken it, the world cannot ignore your light.
Wow. Yes, it's very true. Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank you
for inspiring words.
Bella, thank you for pouring your wisdom, energy, and heart in today's conversation. You remind us that wealth, freedom, and success are not just external goals, they are our inner shifts that ripples outward. And to all our audience, thank you for being a part of this movement. Every week, we are writing a new story of what it means to be a woman who rises, who leads, and who become magnetic. Remember, your version 2 is waiting. Your story is not over yet. And when one woman rises, we all rise. This is Magnetic Women Monday, and we are just getting started.